Hello and welcome to another HTML and CSS tutorial. In the last tutorial we looked at how to create tables with HTML and how to create rows and populate rows with data inside cells in a table. In this tutorial we're going to look at the Colspan and rowspan properties. So we're going to use Colspan to have a cell that spreads across multiple columns. So it takes up an entire row. And we're going to use the rowspan property to have a cell that goes down multiple rows, so it takes up an entire column. So firstly, we've got this caption here. So we'll have a look at what we've got in the browser, preview this in the browser. So we've got this caption up the top here, top selling games on Steam. What we'd like to do now is to put this into the top row of the table. So it's going to take up the whole entire row, or all three columns there. So instead of using a caption tag, we can get rid of the caption tag and we can use the table row tag, or TR. So just replace caption with TR. And then inside those two TR tags, we're going to put this inside a TD tag, or table data. Okay, we'll save that and we'll refresh. And what has happened is it's taken that caption and now it's put it inside the table rather than above the table, and it's in the top row, but the problem is that it's only taking up, well, the cell is only in one column here in the left column, so it's not spread across these three columns here, taking up an entire row. So to fix that, we can use the Colspan property, and we can say Colspan equals 3, which means that we want this to take up three of these columns. There we go. Okay, so now that's taking up 3 columns there. We could also center that if we want. Now what we'd like to do is, instead of having this up here, I've decided that I'd like to have it on the left hand side taking up an entire column. So what we can do is we can just go ahead and delete that Colspan property there and that value there, and we can go ahead and we can delete these. So we're going to put top selling games and these table headings all inside one row. So we can go ahead and delete those two tags there. Okay, so now all of this here, top selling games, rank, title and developer, is inside just these TR tags here, opening tag and the closing tag. Save and refresh that and have a look at what that does. Okay, so what that's done is it's put it into the left column here, and it's just taking up that one cell. The problem is it's kind of shuffled things around in the table a little bit. Things are in the wrong spot. We've got the rank heading up here. However, all the ranks are over in this column. We've got the title heading up here, but all the titles are down in this column here. And then we've got the developer heading here, but all the developer names are in this column here. And then nothing's in that last column. So it's all messed up. But we can fix that using the rowspan property. So let's have a look. We've got, how many rows have we got here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need this here, top selling games on Steam, we need that to span 6 rows. All of these 6 rows here on the left. So we can do that by adding the rowspan property. So we can say TD rowspan equals 6. So it's going to span 6 rows there. Save that, we'll refresh that, and now it's taking up this whole column here, just one big cell taking up that whole entire column. Okay? And then that puts the ranks back underneath the rank column, and underneath the rank heading, puts the titles underneath the title heading, it puts the developers underneath the developer heading. So that is how to use the rowspan to have a cell taking up multiple rows. We've also looked at how to use the Colspan property to have a cell taking up multiple columns. Okay, that's it for today. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how to use, how to apply a style to our table. Thanks for watching.